Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, now that emotions are in check and emotions are no longer high, can we continue with the Real Housewives of Durban? Can we start by giving Ulondi London her flowers? Ulondi London held herself and handled herself like the queen that she always says she is. At this point, Ugirl is believable in her statements when the statement when she said, "I'm not going to get into the mud with pigs." Like right now, she embodied that statement because at this point, most people or most of us would have retaliated. We would not have allowed to be pushed ngezandla in that manner. Like, yo, guys, it was so scary how Mini bullied Ulondi London. And I think Uguchi, most of the time, it is because a person does not understand who they are or their value. If Umini understood the platform she was in and what it means about her as an individual to be in that high platform, I don't think Uguchi she would have acted the way she is. She undermines herself, she undermines who she was. She just maybe she sees herself angayilutho, like uyibona karabanung asiselo. That is why she did not understand the platform she was in. That is why she was confused ukuthi how can they put me with women in this caliber? Who am I? Instead of her embracing that opportunity to say, wow, they believe I'm in the same caliber as Ulondi London. Wow, they believe ukuthi I'm a representation of what could be a friend of the show in Real Housewives of Durban. What she did, she took Beef Gasne or whatever her name is, and she came with it. And Ugo thought it was going to work for her. It did not. And like it made South Africa make her look horrible. But can we give flowers to Ulondi London? This video is about Ulondi London and how she did not even want to accept our apologies. And it's understandable. At this point, no apology could suffice because everybody should have rendered those apologies immediately when they have seen Uguti we are doing wrong by Ulondi. The twins offered their apology, which I'm still digesting. I know it's not mine to accept, but I'm still digesting it. I feel Uguti they were traitors. I feel Uguti if Umini was there, they would have been saying they would be singing a different tune. I feel Uguti if Umini was there, the twins would have stood on their statement and said Uguti no, Vele we believe in this. But because Umini was not there, they had to hide behind Uguti. Umini is the one that did everything. Mini is the master barking kingpin of everything. He's the mastermind. Mini is the mastermind. No, and I disliked the fact Yoguti when it came to the apology, they hid under a thumb and said, we grew up without a father. We grew up without a father. How many people are growing up without fathers, but when they're supposed to apologize and take responsibility, they're not bringing the effect when they grew up without a father. And being a backup singer, how does growing up without a father contribute to you being a mean girl and making another girl feel like she is nothing? Guys, not till today, you can judge me all you want. I stand up with Umable. I thank Umable for bringing up the payslip thing and asking Uguti exactly pila. What do you guys what was your insinuation with the payslip issue? Ingenapi. Because here we're not talking about women that are broke, that are coming with their payslips nyana. Now we're talking about Real Housewives of Durban. Mostly women that are married to rich men in Durban and living the life that we can only see in fairy tale stories, living lives that we can only dream of, and we know Uguti in our miserable pathetic lives we're not going to taste it. And Bonda they come with their whole thing, and I love how Ulondi addressed the thing Uguti nani ninklasile because you told me Uguti I'm not educated enough. You know, They brought their education. It's as if now, but they need to be overachievers because of their childhood. They need to go to serious counseling, Shem, so that they move and the next time they don't bring the father issue into question. Apologies for the noise. I'm camping in the garage to make this video because I've got a lot of kids in my house. Continuing, right? I feel Uguti, if they decide to bring them back, they must bring them back better. And definitely after this, Londi London should come back. Londi London actually carried part 2 of the reunion because part 2 was all about her. And now I understand why Uma Blair cut why am I forgetting this lady's name now? Cut Angel off when Angel wanted to bring up the parents issue, because the parents issue was part of the whole thing where Uma Blair wanted to show them ukuthi you guys are being hypocrites, because lo kubuziwe ukuthi ukhuliswe awukhuliswanga kahle, and the difference between awukhuliswanga kahle nokuthi abazali bakho wobani awukhuliswanga kahle is more horrible, because you're saying my parents did a horrible job and it's reflecting upon my actions ukuthi my parents did not do justice with me. But guys, Londi, you are the girl that you think you are. Girl, you have shown us ukuthi barking self-control is indeed the fruit of the spirit. You embodied what a lot of Christians would not even embody. Truthfully, truly, you understood Uguti, I'm going to stand firm and remain to who I am despite what the situation is, despite what the blows are coming, despite the circumstances. I'm going to be true to who Londi is. I'm going to be the classy girl. I'm going to be the real housewife of Durban type of person that I really was. Wow. No, I'm very happy, Londi Shem. And also, guys, it also shows Uguti Umini was manipulating us, because I thought Uguti, no man, it cannot be this big. I didn't think Uguti could go. Like, I thought they were going to show us footage where Ulondi is throwing more shade. Like more shade that will make us believe Uguti, no man, vele Umini was not cuckoos. Umini reacted because Ulondi did this. No, but no. Umini was cuckoos. She inherited beef. She did not know where to draw the line. She wanted to feel like she is something, and this was her opportunity. Unfortunately, she messed with her brand. She messed with a lot of things, because this was an opportunity for her to get brand deals and to put her name up there, upper than what it is right now. But instead of her using this opportunity to do exactly that, she used this opportunity to revenge and put a statement on the inherited beef, which is necessary at this point, because we do not even know what the beef between Usane and Ulondi is all about. Please do like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.